Hey guys, it's me, Brandy, and I got my December Ipsy in the mail. It's extremely late, but I did get it in the mail, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it with y'all. See if I can get this open without killing myself. So these are the things that came. So I got this cute little highlighting brush. Oh, it feels really soft. I think I totally took that off wrong. Oh yeah, and it actually, that's a good highlighting brush. I'm definitely gonna put this in here. And then this very weird makeup bag that's gonna grab onto everything. So let's see. So that tapered highlighting brush, $15.95. Then we got these sheet masks, which I actually really like to get from the cream shop, and those are $3 per mask. So that's $6, so that's $22. We have an Estate Cosmetics Precision Liquid Liner. And let's see. Ooh, that looks good. That looks promising. It's black. I can always use another black liner. Let's see, it doesn't say like if it's, I mean, it doesn't say much else. Oh, well, it's smudge proof. That's cool. And that is $12. So we had 22 plus 12, that's 34. And I have a Violet Voss eyeshadow single. And so this is a sample. $18 for a full-size palette. This is called Nude Sparks. To be honest, I probably won't do much with this. I still have to do a declutter on all my stuff. It's a cute color. I don't know. I mean, I guess I could try it and get ready with me and see if it's good. So let's see, if this is a sample, a full-size eyeshadow palette is $18. So that's 18 divided by like 30. This is like, we'll say it's worth $2. We'll say it's worth $2. So it's 34, 35. And then we have Juliet Has a Gun. And this is, what is this? This is a deluxe sample of perfume. Let's see if it smells good. Oh. Oh, that does smell good. I mean, at first spray, it smells good. So we'll see. So that is everything that I got. The full-size version of this is $100. So, and this is how many milliliters? Probably like 1 or 0.5. Yeah, it's 5 milliliters. So this is probably like $20. So, that smells really good though. So, this says that it is valued at $50. I would say it's valued at $50. The only thing I really didn't care to get was this nude eyeshadow, single eyeshadow and nude sparks. But, I mean, sure, it's a nude eyeshadow and sparks, nude sparks. So, anyhow, so that is my box from Ipsy, and overall I'm happy with it. I'm good with it. So anyhow, hope you guys have a wonderful night, and we will see you later. Bye.